Welcome back to Tap Tech. Today, we're talking about a new and exciting wearable release, the Xiaomi smart glasses. Xiaomi is no stranger to innovative tech, and this latest step into smart eyewear shows they're serious about blending daily convenience with futuristic functionality. These glasses aren't just about style. They bring features like heads-up notifications, live translation, camera functions, and more, all in a form factor that's sleek, lightweight, and almost indistinguishable from regular glasses. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the Xiaomi smart glasses to explore their design, features, performance, and whether they're practical enough to be part of your everyday tech lineup. Let's jump in. The first thing that stands out about the Xiaomi smart glasses is how subtle they look. Xiaomi didn't go for a bulky, futuristic look. Instead, these glasses are slim, stylish, and lightweight. They actually look like a regular pair of glasses, which is exactly what you want from smart eyewear. Xiaomi has clearly aimed for a design that doesn't scream tech gadget when you wear it in public. The frames are made from a durable but lightweight plastic material, making them comfortable for long-term wear. Whether you're in a meeting, walking down the street, or working at a desk, they don't feel out of place. One of the most important features of these smart glasses is the microLED display. It's positioned on the right lens and uses a very small projector module that beams a monochrome image directly into your field of vision. It's not full AR, and it's not meant for video playback or 3D content. Instead, it shows simple, high-contrast information like notifications, messages, navigation instructions, and more. This keeps your focus on what matters while staying connected. The display is bright enough to be seen in sunlight and doesn't distract you when you're not actively using it. It's designed to complement your daily life, not take it over. Another key feature is the ability to receive and respond to notifications. The Xiaomi smart glasses can show incoming calls, texts, and app alerts. You don't need to pull out your phone every time it buzzes. Just glance slightly to the right, and you can see what's coming in. You can even use voice commands to reply to messages or answer calls thanks to the built-in microphone and speaker system. The speaker is directed toward your ear for privacy and clarity, and it works well even in moderately noisy environments. The microphone does a solid job of capturing your voice, making calls easy and hands-free. Xiaomi has also added a built-in camera into the frame. It's located just above the lens and allows for quick snapshots and short video clips. It's not designed to replace your smartphone camera, but it's useful for those moments when you want to capture something hands-free and from your perspective. The 5-megapixel sensor does a decent job in daylight, producing clear and usable images. There's also an LED indicator next to the lens, which lights up when the camera is active, helping to maintain privacy and transparency when recording. One particularly interesting feature is real-time translation. The Xiaomi smart glasses can display live translations of speech or text directly in your field of view. This is great for traveling or communicating in different languages. Whether someone is speaking to you or you're looking at a foreign sign, the glasses attempt to translate it on the spot. The accuracy depends on background noise and language complexity, but the feature works surprisingly well in common scenarios. It's like having a mini interpreter right in your eyewear. The navigation feature is another standout. When connected to your phone's GPS, the glasses can display turn-by-turn directions right in front of your eye. It makes walking or biking in a new area much easier since you don't need to constantly check your phone. The directions are displayed clearly and stay fixed in a natural position so they don't block your view. It's one of those features that feels small at first but becomes incredibly useful in real life. Battery life is always a concern with wearables, but Xiaomi has managed it well here. The smart glasses are rated for full-day usage with moderate notifications, occasional camera use, and intermittent voice interaction. The battery is compact and integrated into the arms of the glasses. Charging is done via a magnetic cable, and a full charge takes just over an hour. There's no wireless charging, but the magnetic connector snaps on easily. For heavy use, you may need to charge before the end of the day, especially if you're using the camera or translation features frequently. The glasses pair with your smartphone using Bluetooth, and they work best when used with the Xiaomi app. This app lets you customize what notifications you receive, adjust display brightness, manage apps, and even see your captured photos and videos. The interface is clean, intuitive, and doesn't require much setup. Once connected, everything syncs smoothly, and you can use the glasses without constantly needing to check your phone. Voice control is another area where Xiaomi's smart glasses shine. You can say simple commands like, take a photo, read my messages, or what's the weather, and the glasses respond quickly. The voice assistant is responsive and understands natural language well. Xiaomi has built its own voice assistant into the glasses, and it handles most everyday tasks effectively. It may not be as feature-rich as Google Assistant or Siri, but for the purpose of a lightweight wearable, it works just fine. Comfort is always a concern with something you wear on your face, and Xiaomi has done a good job here. The smart glasses are balanced and don't feel heavy on the nose or ears. The nose pads are adjustable, and the arms flex just enough to fit different head sizes. Even after hours of wearing, there's minimal fatigue. This makes them suitable for workdays, travel, or extended periods of outdoor activity. They're also available in both prescription and non-prescription variants, making them more practical for a wider audience. When it comes to style, Xiaomi kept things clean and minimal. The frames come in a few neutral colors, and from a distance, they look like stylish reading glasses or sunglasses. There are no flashy elements or weird shapes that make them stand out too much. If you like a modern, understated design, these glasses will fit right into your everyday wardrobe. Privacy and security are important, and Xiaomi has made an effort here. The camera's indicator light is a clear step toward responsible use. Audio doesn't leak much from the speaker, so people nearby can't easily hear your notifications or voice assistant. Your data is stored securely in the companion app, and you have full control over what's synced or shared. While privacy concerns still exist with any smart glasses, Xiaomi has handled them better than some earlier attempts by other companies. One area where the smart glasses feel slightly limited is in third-party app integration. Right now, the system is mostly optimized for Xiaomi's own ecosystem and a few major apps. There's no wide app store or ability to run third-party AR tools. That might change in the future with software updates, but for now, it's more of a closed environment. Still, what's available out of the box covers most basic needs, and Xiaomi is likely to expand its offerings as more users adopt the product. For those wondering about durability, the glasses are built to handle everyday use. They're resistant to splashes and light rain but not designed for full water submersion. The lenses are scratch-resistant, and the body feels strong enough to handle drops from short heights. Still, it's smart to keep them in the protective case when not in use. The price of the Xiaomi smart glasses is also worth mentioning. Compared to other smart glasses on the market, they're more affordable while offering many of the same features. Xiaomi has struck a balance between functionality and price, making these glasses accessible to more people. You don't need to spend a fortune to get into the world of smart eyewear, and that could make a big difference in how widely they're adopted, whether you're a tech enthusiast, a traveler, a commuter, or just someone who wants to try something new. The Xiaomi smart glasses are worth considering. They're not meant to replace your phone, but they can reduce your reliance on it by keeping essential info right in your view. From checking messages, navigating a city, to snapping photos and translating conversations, they bring a level of hands-free convenience that's genuinely useful. The experience of wearing them feels smooth, lightweight, and surprisingly natural. They don't distract you, and they don't get in the way of what you're doing. In fact, you'll probably forget you're wearing a smart device at all, until a message pops up, or you need help with directions. That kind of seamless integration is what wearable tech should be all about. Xiaomi has taken a smart approach with this product. They didn't try to cram in too many features or overpromise futuristic experiences. Instead, they focused on real-world usability, comfort, and simplicity. And in that sense, they've created one of the most practical smart glasses available today. It's not about showing off flashy tech. It's about enhancing your day in small, subtle ways. And that wraps up our full review of the Xiaomi Smart Glasses here on Tap Tech. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth tech reviews. From wearables and smart devices to laptops, phones, and the latest in innovation, we've got you covered. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you wear smart glasses? Are these the ones to get you started? Thanks for watching Tap Tech, and we'll see you in the next one.